You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 12/13. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 139/12 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 13. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals 12/13.